Hi guys, it's Flo and today I'm here with a mini review. These are some contact lenses that Iris Beauty sent to me. These are prescription colored contact lenses and they are adapted to my site. They look like this. And today I have a code for you, 15% off with code FutilitiesMore 15. I will put everything in the info bar. This is not an affiliate link and I don't get any commission off of this code. So here is a quick before and after. And more details now. These look like this. There is a ring and the color inside. This is the application. I have very tiny eyes, but you can see it's quite easy to apply. The shade that I pick up is pure brown, but for me it's not brown, it's more on the grayish blue side. They are very comfortable, they follow every move of my eyes, and the color part doesn't interfere with my sight. They enlarge my eyes, there is a ring around my iris. I don't think it's unflattering, but it looks a little bit unnatural. But the color I really like, because it's not too obvious on my black Asian eyes. I hope this video was helpful and that you learned something. Please join me on Instagram and see you soon.